What is a secured credit card? A secured credit card is just like any other credit card, but with one caveat. It requires a security deposit from the cardholder. That security deposit generally then becomes your credit limit, which is the amount you can charge on the card. This is because secured credit cards are designed for consumers who are establishing or rebuilding their credit. The deposit acts as collateral in case the cardholder can't make payments. So, if you miss a certain number of payments, you could end up losing your deposit. Secured credit cards offer consumers with subprime credit scores the ability to access credit, allowing them to build or rebuild their credit. Just make sure to read the fine print so you don't apply for a secured credit card that has an annual fee or monthly service charges. The best secured cards won't come with these kinds of fees. After several months of positive payment history and responsible use, some issuers allow cardholders to upgrade their secured card to the unsecured version. In this way, the credit card can grow with you. How to apply for a secured credit card? Applying for a secured credit card is similar to applying to an unsecured credit card. The only difference is the security deposit. The issuer will hold the deposit in case of missed payments or late fees. Additional card requirements, such as minimum credit score, vary by issuer. Here's what to expect when applying for a secured credit card. The issuer will most likely check your credit report and your income. If approved, you will make a cash deposit with the issuer. The issuer will place your deposit in a secure account that you can't access for as long as the card is active. Pay your balance each month, or at least the minimum payment, the way you would with any credit card. If you miss payments, the issuer withdraws funds from the secure account to pay the overdue balance. If you miss several monthly payments and the issuer uses your deposit to pay your balance, the effect on your credit score is the same as if you defaulted on an unsecured card. Who is eligible for a secured credit card? Since secured credit cards are geared toward consumers who are building or rebuilding their credit, the eligibility requirements are not that stringent. If you have a poor credit score or limited credit history, secured credit cards are a great option. The only differing requirement between them and unsecured credit cards is a security deposit. Card number 1. Discover It. Secured credit card. The Discover It secured credit card is a rewards credit card for those who are new to credit, have poor or bad credit, or are rebuilding credit. With it, cardholders can earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter, automatically. Plus, earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. The Discover It secured credit card, Discover will automatically match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year. The main objective of any secured credit card is to build a good credit history by making on-time payments and maintaining low credit utilization. Earning rewards with a secured credit card is nice, but don't feel the need to spend just to earn cash back. The card still has a high APR on purchases, so try to pay off your balance each month to avoid incurring interest. It's best for building your credit if you only use a small portion of your available credit and make on-time payments. Cardholders can maximize earnings with the Discover It secured credit card by taking advantage of the bonus categories. You'll earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter, automatically. Plus, earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. Card number 2. The Secured Self Visa. Credit Card. The Secured Self Visa. Credit card is a secured credit hired that touts unusual features targeted to consumers struggling to build credit. For one, the card requires no credit check. And while the card calls for a security deposit of at least $100, you can use a self-credit builder loan to meet that requirement. You can also secure your card with a debit card or a linked bank account. The card has no minimum credit score requirement, and it reports to all 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Cardholders pay a $0 annual fee and a 28.24% annual percentage rate. If you use a self-credit builder loan to secure the card, you will have to pay the loan's costs as well and will have to make at least 3 months of on-time payments and meet other requirements to qualify. The card doesn't earn rewards or offer a 0% introductory rate on purchases or balance transfers. Tips for using the Secured Self Visa credit card. With no credit check and a high approval rate, the Secured Self Visa credit card is made for building credit. You can use it to access credit and build a positive credit history by Card Number 3, Capital One, Platinum Secured Credit Card. The Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card is designed to help you build your credit with responsible use. With a $0 annual fee, the card reports to all 3 credit bureaus and will automatically consider you for a credit line increase in as little as 6 months. To open a Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card, you'll need to make a refundable minimum security deposit of $49, $99, or $200 online or by phone. You can pay your security deposit in a single payment or in installments over a 35-day period, but your account won't officially open until the minimum is met. The security deposit serves as collateral for the account. It will not earn interest or be applied toward your monthly payments. Cardholders can choose their monthly due date, set up alerts via email or text, and use autopay to help them stay on top of payments. The card also has zero fraud liability to protect you against unauthorized charges. To help secure your account further, you can use virtual card numbers, which let you pay for online purchases without revealing your real card number. When you're using a secured card like the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card to build or rebuild credit, you'll want to pay attention to 2 main things: paying on time and keeping your balance in check. These are the 2 most important factors impacting your credit score. For on-time payments, setting up automatic payments can guarantee that you'll never miss a due date. The other factor, credit utilization, which is how much available credit you use compared to your credit line, is a little more complex. The key is to avoid using a large percentage of your credit limit, which can be a challenge when your credit limit is low. The lower your credit utilization, the better it is for your score. Therefore, the best way to maximize this card is to use it only for small purchases and then pay it off in full. For a secured credit card, this one has favorable terms, such as charging a $0 annual fee and automatically reviewing your account for a credit line increase after 6 months. The lower minimum security deposit of $49 with the ability to pay by installments can also make the card appealing for eligible applicants. However, a few secured cards offer rewards and benefits, such as cashback. If those features are important to you, you might explore different products. But if your primary objective is to grow your credit score, you should start to see progress with 6 months of smart credit behavior as a secured credit card designed for people who are new to credit and want to build their credit history. This $0 annual fee card comes with FICO credit score access and reports monthly to all 3 major credit bureaus, so you can build credit as long as you pay your bills on time and keep your balance low. Once you're approved, you have 14 days to provide a security deposit between $200 and $2,500 to open the account. The deposit is the same amount as the credit line you request. Citi will review your account within 18 months to determine whether you're eligible to have your deposit returned. The Citi Secured MasterCard is best used for credit building. It's a good idea to use the card for a small purchase or 2 each month, then pay your balance in full and on time every statement period. Citi will review your account within 18 months to determine whether you're eligible to have your deposit returned. At that point, you should consider upgrading to an unsecured credit card if your credit has improved enough to qualify. While the Citi Secured MasterCard doesn't earn rewards, it's a good option for building credit when you don't have any credit history. But other secured cards may offer faster review periods or earn rewards. For example, the Discover It Secured Credit Card starts considering your account for an upgrade to an unsecured card at 7 months and earns cashback. The Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card will consider your account for a higher credit line in as little as 6 months, and your refundable security deposit can be as small as $49 to get a $200 initial credit line. Card number 5. Bank AmeriCard Secured Credit Card. The Bank AmeriCard Secured Credit Card is intended to help cardholders establish or rebuild their credit. The card charges a $0 annual fee and requires a minimum security deposit of $200 with a maximum of $5,000. The APR for purchases and balance transfers is 25.24% variable APR variable. The Bank AmeriCard secured credit card can help you establish or improve your credit with access to your FICO score for free each month. You can also link the card to a Bank of America deposit (ACO),